Factory resetting your Samsung Smart TV can be a helpful step when you're dealing with issues like slow performance, apps not working properly, or settings that just won't go back to normal. Over time, TVs can build up temporary data, misconfigured settings, or software glitches that affect how smoothly everything runs. A reset clears all of that and brings your TV back to its original state, just like when you first set it up. For many users, the idea of resetting can feel a bit overwhelming because it removes apps, accounts, and custom settings, but the process itself is actually very simple. Once you follow the right steps, you can quickly refresh your TV and start fresh without any complications. Try these. Step 1. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Step 2. Go to settings from the menu. Step 3. Navigate to general or general and privacy. Step 4. Select reset from the options. Step 5. Enter your TV PIN. Step 6. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart.